Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
In this video, I will explain you complete designing of Cruciform Building by using staad v8i software. So in my previous video, I was explained how to model the Cruciform Building and how to apply the load cases and how to make the analysis process. So in this video, I will explain you complete designing process of Cruciform Building by using staad v8i software. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. Okay. So let's go to Cruciform Building. This is the Cruciform Building. So click on the 3D rendering view option. So it will load the 3D rendering view option for the particular building. Now you can see this is the building structural model. So now we have to design this particular building after analysis process. For that we have to click on the design option under the modeling. Click on the concrete design. So from this concrete design we have to pick IS 456-2000 Codal Provision Standard System. So click on the select parameters. Initially we have to deselect all the parameters. From these parameters we have to pick compressed strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum main, maximum secondary. Click on OK. Then after that we have to click on the define parameters. So for this particular Cruciform building, just I am taking M30 grade concrete provision 30,000. Click on add button. Select the FI main. Just I am taking here as 500 grade steel 500,000. Click on add option. Again in the same process, section reinforcement. Just I am taking here as 500,000. Click on add option. Again in the same process, maximum main. Just I am taking here as 20 mm diameter bar. Maximum secondary 12 mm diameter bar. Again MD1 12 mm diameter bar. Just I am taking here. Okay. So click on select commands option. From these commands we have to select the design beam command, design column command, design slab element command. Again we have to select the takeoff command. Click on cancel option. So we have to assign the question marks here. So for this section, so select the FC value. Click on assign to selected beams, assign to view option, select yes option. Again in the same process we have to select the FI main, assign to view, assign yes option. So maximum section reinforcement, assign to view option here, assign yes option here. Maximum main reinforcement we have to apply for all the building sections, and maximum secondary section also assign to view, assign yes option, and MD1 also assign to view, assign yes option. Now we have to select the design beam command, go to select option, beams parallel to X condition system, select the beams parallel to Z condition system, assign to selected beams option, assign option. Select the column command. So just I'm selecting here as column designing section, select beams parallel to Y direction condition system, assign to selected beams option here, assign yes option here. Again in the same process we have to select the design element by using assign to view, assign yes option. So go to select the analysis and print, add your no print, close option, analyze, run analysis, save option here. So now we have to check for the zero errors for this particular Cruciform building. So it will take some time. Why? Because the structure will be heavy here. Okay. So we will wait for some time for the showing the results. Now you can see here my model is obtained with zero errors. Again click on go to post processing mode option, click on done option, select this option. So deselect the deflection diagram, select any one of the beam from this particular input. Just I am selecting this top beam, click on this, click on the concrete design. Now you can see it will be consisting of 6 bars of 12 mm diameter at the top reinforcement section and 6 bars of 12 mm diameter at the bottom reinforcement section. In the same process I am selecting the column here, any one of the column. So now we can see this is the column size for the 0.8 size cross 0.8 with 12 bars of 12 mm diameter reinforcement for this particular column. In the same process you can select the staad output file for loading the results. So here I am selecting staad output file so that it will load the output file for the particular structure. Now you can see it will be consisting of the results like beam designing results and column designing results and slab designing results. So it will take some time for loading the process. It is loading in the total number of the pages here like this. So it will take some time, depends upon your model and depends upon your number of the beams, depends upon your number of the slabs. Here you can see it was obtained with 3000 plus pages here for me. So it will be consisting of all reinforcement design results and slab designing results for the particular section. Now we have to design the foundation. So for this particular section, the cruciform structure, the isolated footing is not suitable, but for example only just I'm considering isolated footing here. Foundation design, select 1, 2, 3, 4 primary load cases for this particular section. So here like this, click on include option, click on run stand foundation. The fixed supports related to this building will be directly imported to staad foundation software. In that staad foundation software, we can easily design a foundation. So select the loads and factors initially in order to create the load combination. Generate load combination according to Indian standard system. Generate load combination for the service initially. Then after that we have to generate the load combination for the ultimate load combinations also in the same process. So click on the generate load combination for the ultimate load combination systems here. Click on OK. So after that we have to click on the job setup option. So click on create job option. Select 1, 2, 3 like this isolated footing which is related to Indian standard system with SI code assigned to all supports. Select the load cases which is related to 101, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Click on include option. Click on create job option so that it will generate the isolated footing job on the left hand side. Directly click on design option, click on yes option so that it will take some time for designing of isolated footing. Then after that I will show you the results which is related to the isolated footing as per IS 456-2000 Codal Provision Standard System. Now you can see here my isolated footing is design is done with the designing process. So you can select any one of the foundation from this particular section. So here I'm selecting foundation number 5. It will be consisting of complete designing details, geometry, details and drawing scheduling values for this particular section. In the same process it will be consisting of GA drawing here like this, and this is the calculation sheet for the Cruciform building. So this is the complete process of designing of Cruciform building by using StaadPro v8i software. If you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.